Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back again with another powerful boom and crash strategy that you can use to grow your small account. Alright, so this is how this one work. Alright, I'm going to be keeping this video very simple and short. Alright, so first of all, I will share the setting of this strategy with you. First thing you have to do is to click on this icon here. So after clicking on the icon, the first indicator we have to add here is the MACD, right? Now here are the parameters. The fast EMA is 12, the slow EMA is 26, the MACD SMA is 9, the apply to close. Under the style we have 1 pixel, which is the main. The signal is also 1 pixel. The color is the color of your background. After that, you click on done. Now the second indicator here is the envelope, and these are the period. Period is 5, shift 0, deviation 0.000, method linear weight, apply to first indicators data. Now the upper band here is 4 pixel, color is green. Lower band is 4 pixel, color is red. Then after that, you click on done. Now the next indicator here is the alligator. This one. These are the settings. This is very long for me to pronounce, so you just copy everything you are seeing here like this. Make sure it's same way you are seeing it here right now. Then under the style, you can see this one also. Make sure everything is the same as you are seeing it here. Then after that, you click on done. The last indicator here is the relative strength index, which we are using for our levels. Alright, so you make sure you set this to 1. The apply to is close. Then the level is 15 and 85. I didn't make mention of this because it's not important. Once the period is 1, that will not show. Okay, so after that, you click on done, and then you have a screen like this whenever you set everything same way as I've explained it. Okay, so now this is how the strategy works. First of all, you are going to allow this to get to the 85 level, right? So once the red is touching the 85 level, the next thing you have to wait for it to cross below that black line there, right? So once that crossing happens, you go in for 5 candles, right? It's as simple as that, right? Once that crossing happens, you have to go in for 5 candles. Alright, same thing happened here. And one thing you should take note of is that you only take trades that are solid, right? Whenever it's fluctuating like this, going up and down, it's not good for you to take any trade, right? It needs to be strong like this. You can see this one right here, right? You can see this one right here, guys. It's not fluctuating, it's not going up and down. So these are the kind of trade you have to take. Once that crossing happens, you take your 5 candles and then you are out. Okay, and you can see another entry here also. So that is how it is. You can see this one is not fluctuating, right? So it's as simple as ABCD, guys. This is a very powerful strategy. Once you apply everything I've said, you are good to go, right? So I will be ending this video here. For the zoom level, you zoom out completely and then you zoom in twice, 1 and 2. So this is the zoom level, okay? And okay, I think that is all for this one. That is all for this. So for those of you who are just coming across my channel for the first time, please make sure you do hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately. Thank you. Silver out.